an unforgettable destination. Welcome to the Charin Canyon in Kazakhstan. It's not the biggest canyon in the world, but it is a spectacular example of natural beauty. The Charin River, which flows from the Tian Shan Mountains, formed the canyon. It is located 200 kilometers from Almaty. The canyon is 80 kilometers long and has fresh water, trees, and many hiding places in the rocks. The breathtaking scenery is amazing, and it is an oasis in the surrounding area. If you're fascinated by nature, then the Charin Canyon is an ideal destination. There are many types of wildlife here, including hares, foxes, snakes, and lizards. Rare ash trees grow at the bottom of the valley. There is an ancient Ice Age forest nearby as well. The Charin Valley is also a geologist's dream. Over thousands of years, the strong winds of the area have formed many interesting shapes in the rocks. One part of the canyon, the Valley of the Castles, has rocks that look like buildings. The canyon is very colorful, with striped red cliffs above black volcanic rocks. At sunset, everything changes, with mysterious shadows moving across the floor of the canyon. Visiting the Charin Canyon is an unforgettable experience that has for everyone. Would you like to visit? What would you like to see?